good day, Miss Ronaldine. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I'm Ronaldine Camia, 39 years old. I'm married. I have two children.
All right, thank you. Then please tell me about your educational background. Are you a high school graduate or college graduate?
I'm college level only. I taking um information technology major in hada major in IT.
All right, thank you. Then where do you live?
Here in Philippines, Caligan, Burgos, Cavite.
Okay, then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I'm married, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother and two sisters.
All right, then how would you describe yourself?
I'm kind. I'm trustworthy. I'm respectful, and I'm faithful.
Okay, then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to I want to earn more money for the future of my children.
Okay, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I worked before 2019 until 2022 at UAE, and then 2023 and 2025 in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so did you finish your contract in UAE and Saudi Arabia?
I finished and I extend in UAE. I extend only 2 months. In Saudi Arabia, I extend 6 months, and I finished contract.
Okay, so first, what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in UAE?
In UAE, I take care 3 months old baby when I was there, and then I clean house and iron.
Okay, so how about in Saudi Arabia?
I take care 8 months old baby, and then until she's 3 years old. And my employer got pregnant and have a newborn. When I came, the baby is 6 months, and also household chores.
All right, thank you. So how do you describe your cooking skills? Can you cook?
Yeah, I cook, mom. I'm good in cooking, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
All right, good. Then, do you have any food allergy?
I don't have
Okay. So, do you have any body tattoo?
I don't have
Do you drink alcohol?
no, mom.
How about smoking?
No, mom.
Okay. So, do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, mom. I don't.
Okay. For the last question, Ma'am Ronaline, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
To my future employer, please hire me because I want to spend with you um, and finish my contract. I am trustworthy, kind, patient, and responsible. Thank you, mom and sir.